So, you want to know about the average return on Nutmeg? That's a great question. And honestly, it's one that a lot of people are asking. But before we dive into the numbers, let's talk about what Nutmeg actually is. Nutmeg is an investment platform that offers a range of investment options, from stocks and shares, ISAs, to pensions. The core idea is to make investing accessible and easy for people who might not have the time or expertise to manage their investments themselves. They offer different types of portfolios based on your risk tolerance, and their algorithms do the heavy lifting when it comes to picking the right investments. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff, returns. The big question is, how much can you actually expect to make with Nutmeg? Well, here's the thing, there's no easy answer. Investing, by its very nature, involves risk. And the higher the potential return, the higher the risk. Nutmeg offers a range of portfolios, from cautious to adventurous, to cater to different risk appetites. So, what does the average look like? Well, Nutmeg publishes performance data on its website, and it's worth checking that out for the most up-to-date information. But historically, their portfolios have delivered a range of returns. Some years have been stellar, with double-digit returns, while others have been more modest. It's important to remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. One thing to keep in mind is that fees do eat into your returns. Nutmeg charges a management fee, which varies depending on how much you invest. So, while the potential returns might look good, you need to factor in those fees to get a clear picture of your net return. Another thing to consider is the time horizon. Investing is a long-term game. If you're investing for retirement, you can afford to ride out the ups and downs of the market. But if you need the money in the short term, you might want to choose a more cautious approach. So, what's the bottom line? Well, there's no guaranteed return on any investment, and that includes Nutmeg. But if you're looking for a relatively easy way to invest your money and diversify your portfolio, Nutmeg could be an option worth considering. Just make sure you understand the risks involved and choose a portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. And remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on the long term, and don't get too caught up in the day-to-day fluctuations of the market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.